In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Steam Remote Play Together. This feature lets you host a local multiplayer game on your PC and stream it to friends over the internet so they can play alongside you, even if they don't own the game. It's perfect for couch co-op titles and party games, and with a few settings tweaks you'll get smooth, low-lag gameplay. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and signing into your account. Then go to the top left of Steam, open the Steam menu, choose Settings, and select Remote Play. In this section, turn on Remote Play by checking the Enable Remote Play box. This is what allows your PC to act as the host that sends the game video and receives your friends' inputs. Next, optimize your connection. In the Remote Play settings, enable Allow Direct Connection and set it to Automatic. This lets Steam try a direct, peer-to-peer path between you and your friends for the lowest latency, while still falling back to relayed connections if your networks can't connect directly. For the host, turn on the Advanced Host options. Enable hardware encoding so your GPU handles video compression faster and with less CPU load, and enable options that prioritize network traffic to help keep gameplay responsive. A quick tip: a wired Ethernet connection and closing bandwidth-heavy apps can noticeably improve stream quality. On the player side, make sure client devices have advanced client options enabled as well. Turn on hardware decoding so the device's GPU helps with playback, and use fast video transmission with automatic resolution. With automatic resolution, Steam adjusts the stream quality on the fly to match network conditions, keeping things playable even if bandwidth dips. When you're ready to play, launch a local multiplayer game on your host PC. Once you're in the game, open the Steam overlay by pressing Shift+Tab. In the overlay, look near your friends list for the Remote Play Together icon and click it. You can invite friends directly from your friends list or copy and share an invite link. The best part is your friends do not need to own the game, they just accept the invite to join your session. After they accept, they'll connect to your game and can use their own controllers or keyboard and mouse, with inputs assigned by you as the host. From here, you're ready to play together. If you notice any lag, try lowering background network use or bringing devices closer to the router for a steadier connection. That's it for setting up Steam Remote Play Together. Enjoy your games, and thanks for watching.